So I'm gonna try to do my nails using this Kiss little Salon Dip Color System. I've never used it. I've opened it, looked at the products, but I'm so excited to use this because it's about time that I get my nails going, because you see like they're chipping. So, I mean, this one is breaking off on me. So I definitely need something for my nails. All right, so it does come with a base gel, then a brush softener, a top gel, an activator with a dip powder and liaison. Then it comes with one of these little sticks, a sponge as well, two more clean top brushes just in case these get dirty, nail file buffer, and then it comes with the little tray itself that you just dip your finger in. So first you have the buff, then you'll apply the base, dip the powder, activator, buff to finish, and then apply top gel. The dip powder, and it's a nice color too. I mean, it's a nice soft baby pink. As you can see, still not even opened. This whole thing was like 20 bucks. I've tried looking for it at Rite Aid, Target, Walmart, but I can never find it. I only found it out Rite Aid, and like I said, I paid for it for 20 bucks. You can find different types of colors, and they're, I believe, like $6-7. So I'm just gonna add that much just to fill it in, so I can actually, yeah, so I could just put my nail in there. So first, buff your nail. Push back cuticles with the little sticks, so I'm going to push them back. They want you to start off by applying the base obviously on just your nails. Don't dust them off just yet. Oh my god, like it literally is nice and thick, and I can already tell. So make sure you're actually coating the outside, like this part of your nail, because then it makes a big difference. Then because there's like a little thing for your finger, I'm tapping on that for the excess powder. Okay, maybe you shouldn't go upside down and just put your finger in there, because yeah, the only one that it worked on was that one. But, okay. Then it says that with the sponge, you just wipe off the excess. Actually, I'm gonna do it in here because I want the excess powder. Oh, I'm liking this. It's leaving me with a nice nude color, just exactly how I love to have my nails, is nice and nude. I thought they were gonna be super pink because of the excess powder that was still on there, but no, it's really nice. To me, this is good. For 20 bucks, you get to do your own manicure. Like, how awesome, yeah. So I'm gonna go in with the base again. See, I got some on my skin a little bit. Can't really tell. I feel like I'm getting real nails on right now. Well, so I failed to follow directions. So once you've done that, it says one at a time, apply a second layer of base gel, wiping brush into the paper towel in between each coat before applying. It doesn't look pink. See the difference? See, I already like this more than this. But I mean, I still haven't wiped down the powder, so I don't know what the finished product is gonna look. I got it all over my skin for this one. I'll figure out how to take that off. Avoiding skin, apply a generous amount of activator to all 10 nails. The base was like a glue. The activator, I don't know what the activator is doing. It's just making the nails like buff or like tougher more, I guess. It's not like a polish or anything. I guess so it could just dry faster. That makes sense to me. They already feel strong, so we're almost there. It wants us to buff your nails. So now I'm gonna, it does with the lint-free towel, but I mean, this has lint, I'm still gonna use it. See, that's why you shouldn't use it on your nails, but there you go. It comes off fairly easy. I'm sure like with some water. I'm gonna shower after this, but so far so good. Remove excess activator by wiping nail surface with a dry paper towel, lint free. Apply 2 even layers of top gel as you would top coat. Let dry for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you are done. So like I said, this is linty, but all right, guys, and that's pretty much it. That's what I did to my nails for the first time. This is liaison on my nails. We'll see the difference a little later when they're dry. I didn't really shape that well, you could tell. I feel like you could definitely see more imperfections like this with this on than when I just paint my own nails, and that's why I like to paint my own nails, but whatever. I'm on vacay, so. Alrighty guys, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little nail tutorial for the first time. I feel like if you're a first time user, definitely recommend it. Just make sure to follow the steps, have your nails nice and clean and buff them out, and you know, make sure you have your nails clean, good to go, and they're not as yucky as mine. As you can see, I didn't properly shape mine. There's like extra stuff going on there. I didn't really get the activator there. Don't know what's going on. My nails aren't properly shaped. I don't know how to shape my nails, to be honest. Like this one is weird because I want it to be nice and straight, but yet here it kind of just dips, and that's how that nail grew, whereas this one is that straight. It doesn't do that little dip effect. I don't know if maybe I cut too much at some point, but definitely you can see like all the imperfections that I did, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe.